planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love to plan. Today I will be planning for the month of September, my monthly spread. As you can see, I still have my summer cover on. That will be coming off soon because it's almost fall, although it doesn't feel like it here in Texas. It's funny because my nails match my bloom design this week very much. This is Soul Dip's dip powder. So before getting started, I do want to do a quick little haul for the order that I received from LexieKyleeDesigns. I hadn't ordered from her in a long time, so I placed an order for a few things that I was missing. These cute little paw print stickers for whenever I have something for my pets. These yoga mats because I do a lot of bar and these could be used for that. I also have these cute little computer stickers that I absolutely love. These hearts, and a lot of these I buy in neutrals and colorful. That's why there are two sets. And these are some of my favorite weekend banners that I use whenever a kit doesn't come with a weekend banner. I love these matte minimalist icons. They're like frosted matte. I don't know, I don't remember what she calls it, but it's like a frosted, and they're so stinking cute. Like, I bought a lot that I hadn't bought before, like the pets one, the medical. I do get this exercise one a lot. And then these self-care ones is my first time. These financial ones, the little balloons, my first time as well. And these I've already bought like 4 times. I absolutely love this sheet. Then these are the freebies it comes with. This is so cute. Fluent and awkward, that is so definitely me. I feel like I'm gonna pin this on my board in my office because that's me. I am so awkward sometimes. This is perfect. And it comes with this little clip. I love it when sticker shops give a clip. I know that Cactus Paper Co. does that too. This is the September monthly. I'll be honest, I'm planning this pretty late. September is going by and flying with so many things, but this September kit was incredible. I absolutely fell in love with it because it is very fall themed, but at the same time, like, it does have those soft summer colors. So I feel like it really captures at least Texas. And then I got this journaling kit. It's so funny, like this horror part. And you know, the funniest thing is that I don't do horror. Like, I cannot watch scary movies, but I love the horror aesthetic. If that makes any sense. I do love true crime though. Before jumping in, I was literally about to jump in, but I remembered that I haven't set up like my monthly overview page. So here it is. I feel like it's an important step before doing my monthly planning, kind of getting my monthly overview in order, seeing what is going to be happening for the month. And I kind of bought these icons for this page. This is my first year doing something like this, and I absolutely loved it. Loved how neutral it looks. I'm usually all about the colors, so being, with neutrals is really great. And this is one of my favorite pages in my planner this year. I really pulled it off. I kind of use an icon that I think will match that category, and now I have more, so I'm so excited. I've been kind of using the same ones in the past, but I kind of have an idea of what I want to focus on this month. And believe me, this overview page really helps me just get a little, it's kind of like a brain dump, but a cute one. So I use the focused pens. I use the 6 tip and the 0.2 tip. The reason why is so I can create like a bold effect, like the categories will be in bold print, and then the actual like plan will be lighter. One, so I can fit more on the page, and two, just so it looks cute. Of course, you know, you always want to plan. If you're in this community, your plans have to look cute, or at least you want them to. And it's funny because I see a lot of, you know, the planner girls, they have such cute handwriting, and I do not. Like, I struggle with my, at least like my cursive is okay, but when it comes to just like my print, it's not the best. So, I mean, I just embrace it. I don't care. I'm gonna get my plans out there. So if you are like me and you don't have the best handwriting, just do it. Just go with it. And, you know, if you want to start an Instagram account and you think you can't because your handwriting is trash, just kidding. Like, if I feel like that sometimes, I don't care. I just do it. I just push through, and it's okay. And this is how my monthly overview page turned out. I loved it. I can't wait to see it, what it's like until it's finished, except I don't want the year to end. It's just going by so fast. And then I just wanted to do a quick flip through of my August spread. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's a foiled kit by Sticker Guru. I actually, in that video where I do the plan with me, I show you a haul of their sticker kits, which they do insane sales. So it's something to look out for. I have kits for all the months, except July and August since I use them. But I definitely have something for next year, so I'm excited about that, just having my monthlies there and not waiting for them in the mail. But this month I really loved this kit by LexieKyleeDesigns. So matte, the colors were just insanely beautiful. I really had to get it when I picked up my minimalist icons. And while I am setting up the bones of my month, I just wanted to talk to y'all. I know I have been absent lately. I haven't really been posting videos, and to be honest, I feel like I have had to take some time for me to heal. Like, I have been struggling probably for the last year with this mindset. I would call it toxic productivity, where I feel like I have to produce, and I don't give myself any time to rest. And if you've seen that quote around the internet, rest is productive, it is insanely true, and it's something that I haven't really done, to be honest. So I'm barely learning. I'm barely, trying to understand that I have a limit. Like, I can't keep on pushing my body towards the limit, like in the sense that I'm not getting sleep, not getting any rest, any time to just relax and do something. I mean, for me, like, planning is relaxing, but then there's like the disconnect, like where you just watch a show. Like, I love Korean dramas, and guess what? I haven't watched any in like the longest time. I barely started. I gave myself some time to just watch them, to rest. And this month I've done a good job. Like, I had this trip to Rockport, which is a beach here in Texas, a beach town, and my husband and I just went and we just relaxed. Like, I feel like he needed it too. He has a very demanding job, so we just kind of rested, and we both have like a very productive lifestyle. Like, we make sure to like spread our chores. Like, so he does the laundry, I do the dishes, we both tidy up the house, I dust, he mops and things like that. So we kind of just break up our chores. We both have a full-time job, and we have my side hustles, which kind of have become his. Like, his responsibility in our business is for him to do the bookkeeping while I mainly do marketing. So it's a lot, and I'm not complaining. I gave myself these tasks and I love it, and my goal, my dream is to live off of my now side hustles full time. Like, I really want to just not have to depend on corporate America, which is really scary at the moment because of the economy. So I can't just leave my corporate job, which my corporate job is not terrible. Like, I work in banking. It's okay. Like, it's not, I feel like it's not super high stress, and my job is like a 3-minute drive from my home. So, I mean, I'm really, really blessed, but I'm healing, and I'm happy to say it. Like, I can definitely take some time. And if you're on your healing journey, let me know. Like, if you feel comfortable sharing it, of course, it's something very personal. I decided to share it with y'all, and definitely let me know if you want to hear like a full toxic productivity video. And now I'm using my Pentel Energel in 0.5 tip. I have a few birthdays, and honestly, like, I'm doing this like closer to the middle of the month. I'm doing this a little late because of everything that just has happened, and kind of giving myself some time. And it's okay. Like, I don't mind, but it's really fun. Like, I need to see my monthlies. I need to see them every single month in my planner. Like, that's something, if I don't plan for a week, it's okay. But if I have a blank monthly, like, I don't like that. I need to see it, because I also keep on adding throughout the month certain events, and it becomes also like a memory tracker. I don't keep a separate memory planner. So just knowing what happened on a certain day is really important, like that trip to Rockport. And then it's I'm really excited because on Friday is Mexican Independence Day, so I'm gonna have like a gathering, maybe a party with all my friends, and I'm really, really excited about that because everyone has been excited. We did like a color theme where we each assigned a color. We chose a color, and we're going to dress up and with that color and bring food that color. So it's kind of different, and everyone is just so excited about it. Then my dogs have a grooming. What I love about the LexieKyleeDesigns monthlies is that they have a lot of icons, like for your bills and happy birthdays and things like that. Also, all the deco is so cute, but then I bought all the separate icons, like this paw icon for my dogs. And on my sidebar, I just kind of bring in what I wrote in my monthly overview. This is a little different. It's not exactly goals. It's just reminders for the month, things I have to keep in mind, like important things that I need to accomplish, events, things for my business that I have going on. So I have a separate business planner, but I still definitely write it down here in my main planner. I do need to consolidate to see everything in one place. It helps me keep everything in mind because I'm very scatterbrained. Like, if I don't write it down, I will forget. And this is the planner I open up almost every day, if not every day. So it's good for me to have it. How many of you fall into the not looking at your monthly trap? Like, I've I've done that. Like I did that in August. I didn't go back and look at it. And then I did miss a few things. So this month I'm really trying to go back and look at my monthly at least every single week to see that I'm not missing anything. But I'm really proud. I feel like I accomplished a lot in August. First of all, I got my stinking haircut, which I have put off for like a year and a half.
Funny story, I've been meaning to cut my hair for 6 months now, and I haven't.
Like, I don't love going to the hair salon, but I can finally say I got my hair cut. I, got rid of all my split ends. So that's an accomplishment. How my monthly turned out. I loved it. These are the stickers that were left over the freebie. I'll probably come back and use some of these. And this one was empty because it was the large month date covers. I enjoyed using this. I love LexieKyleeDesigns, and this is what it looked like. Thank you so much for being here, for watching me babble. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. And subscribe for more planning content, planning inspiration. This is my Erin Condren warehouse sale video. Don't forget to watch it next. And I'll see you next time. Bye.